everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do some shopping together from the company ThisNew. Now this is a print-on-demand company based in China with warehouse in the United States. As you can see, they have a bunch of items that you can print on, and what I really like about their design software is that you can see your items on a mock-up, and that gives you an idea on how your item will look on the actual product. Now I'm going to be talking about that in this video, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company. If you go to the About Us page, it says that they don't have a minimum order quantity, which I find really cool, because if you're unsure, you're starting a new business and you are not sure of the things that you want to buy and you don't want to invest a lot of money on something, this is a very nice opportunity for you, because they don't have a minimum order quantity and you can just order one and see if you like it, see if you sell it, and then you can go and buy some more. When we're buying online, we also want to know how long it's going to take to produce and then to get to me. And they say that the production time is 3 to 7 business days. And here is a shipping and delivery time chart that says like how much you could spend on shipping and how long it's going to take. I know they have a warehouse in the United States. I'm not sure what kind of items they print on there, if they print all of the items or just a couple. But it says here that is $3.49. It starts from $3.49 and it takes from 3 to 7 days to the USA. The items that they have, this is the categories. It's divided by categories, but we're gonna click all categories so you can have an idea. And they have masks, blankets, sneakers, necklaces. So this is a really good option. So you can start a new business. Maybe you are an artist and you are creating art and maybe it's not selling that well, or maybe it is selling well, but you want to do something else with your art. This is a great alternative. I really like the sneakers and like the, how do you call this? Fanny bag? Fanny bag. So you can do funny bags, you can do purses. They also have even a Bluetooth speaker. They have a bunch of stuff. You can even print your art on posters in here. So yeah, they have a lot of variety of items. Definitely go check them out. And I do want to say that they contacted me to make this video for them so I can show you guys their items. They asked me for my honest opinion, and that's what you're gonna get. I'm not gonna lie about this. I'm just gonna show you right now the process of creating your items. Enough talking, let's go to the design. So I'm gonna be buying 3 items today, and the first one is going to be the sneakers, because I've always wanted to design sneakers and this is my opportunity to do so. So they look like this. They look like the Converse, like that style. So we're gonna go and choose our size. I'm 7.5, so it says 6 men, so it's like unisex. So we go to design. This is the template. You have to put your design in here and it's going to show up here, which is really, really cool, because you have the opportunity to see how it's going to look before buying. So it's gonna tell you the size and design guidelines and stuff. So we're gonna go to design and we're going to go to image, and in image you're going to upload your picture. So in here it says the minimum requirement for your picture. I already uploaded my photos, so it'll be easier and faster. So I'm going to go to my file, which is storing my files, and in here I'm selecting an artwork that I did in Procreate. So as you can see, it immediately show up here, and down here you can see it shows you, and if you click on it, it's going to show you which side of the sneaker we are designing on. See? So I choose my first design, and you can click the magnifier and it's going to show you how it's going to look. Isn't that cool that you can see it before buying how it's going to look? I love it. So I'm going to move this a little bit, and you can resize this, you can rotate it, you can flip it, center, you can scale it. Oh, now I don't remember where it was. Here? Okay, yeah. And see, you can fill, fit, extrude. It's really cool. It's really like you don't need anything else. Just here, you can do it all. You can even make pattern, like a pattern, which is this one. So yes, here I'm going to do it like this, and then you can see the preview if you like it or not. I think it looks a little empty, so let me just drag this down a little. And there you go. Okay, now we're going to move to the other side, and we're going to do the same. You have to move it around, play with it a little bit to see where do you think things should go. And another thing that I wanted to tell you, we're going to design one sticker right now, but you have to design both of them. So if you don't want them to be the same, like you can do a drawing on one and then another drawing on the other one, you can do that. So I find that really cool that they are not limiting you to use just one design for both sneakers. So I'm gonna speed this up so you don't get bored so you can see the final product. Something that I forgot to tell you that it's really important is that it says make sure your design overlaps the most outer red dotted line very, you know that word, fully to avoid unprinted areas during production. So we need to stay within the red lines so we don't get like white spots or white thingies around our design. Okay, so you can go in here and just see how are they gonna look, and if you're happy with your design. I think I am, so yeah, it looks cool. So yeah, after that we're going to click save, and as you can see in here, it's gonna tell you there might be differences in design effect for different sizes. You can click fine-tune to adjust the design of that size. So it says that the button will affect the selected size only. So I'm going to buy the 7.5. So let's hit fine-tune, and we're going to click confirm and continue. For now, I'm just gonna buy, so we're gonna click go, and then select the size, quantity, and add to cart. So yay, we already created our first item. Now I want to show you what are the other two items that I chose, and they're already here. As you can see, I've created a wallet with kind of like a melting ice cream design. And what I found really interesting is that they send you the wallet in this box, so it's ready to go. You just need to take some pictures and upload it to your website, and that's it. For this specific item, it's faster to create because you just need to upload one picture. And for the next item that I chose is this hoodie with this old drawing that I made a couple years ago. And here's how it's gonna look. It has a size chart, so you can choose the right size for you, and this is how it's gonna look like. You can choose from blue, white, gray, and black. Another thing, now that I have a black background, for your art you need to create a transparent PNG if you want it to look this way. If you don't mind a white square around it or something like that, then you can do it. But if you want to do something it looks like this, you have to create a clear background and save your picture as a PNG. Also, make sure to use very high quality pictures for this kind of stuff because you don't want your pieces to be ruined by a low quality picture. Okay, so for everything in my cart, we're going to pay $64.97, which is crazy because I will pay $65 just for the sneakers. I found really cool that you can customize these and just sell them at a good price, because for sneakers I will pay $65, so you'll be making, if you sell them for $60, you'll be making 50% profit. So for the wallet, maybe you can do 50% profit off of all of this. The hoodies, maybe you can sell them for a little bit more than how much it would be, 30 something, like maybe 40, 45. It all depends on how much money you want to make. If your audience really wants your art, they will pay whatever you want them to pay for your art, as long as they like your content and appreciate art. So thank you guys for being here with me and doing some online shopping. This was really fun. Who doesn't love to shop, right? I am going to make another video when I receive the items, and I'm gonna let you know how long it took to get to me, and I'm gonna show you the products, and we're gonna talk about the quality and my honest opinion about what I got. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss that video, and don't forget to like. This really helps my channel a lot, and I hope to see you in the next one.